Welcome to the Drexel University Library's EndNote tutorial on organizing information within EndNote. You should already have citations in your library for this tutorial. Imported references are placed in this Imported References subgroup, and you can find all your references in the All References group. For organizing your information, My Groups will be a very handy tool. Let's say I'm researching two papers and want to keep those citations separate. If I right-click on My Groups and then Create a Group, I can name it whatever I like. To add citations, simply highlight one or more citations by clicking on them, then drag and drop them to your new group. Please note that individual citations in your library can exist in multiple groups. In addition to making singular groups, you can also make group sets. These sets combine individual groups. This concludes this tutorial chapter.